here's a sneak peek of a day in Sophia's life working at Kbeauty, which is a Korean cosmetic skincare brand. I started off my day with choosing a couple of Kbeauty products to make content with, and of course, a OOTD picture is a must. I also had a mini discussion with my colleague, Kbeauty. He's the man behind the cameras. He's good with all the technical stuff. After that, I did my content for about an hour and I was starving, so I got some yogurt and went ahead to the 5th floor, which is the Kbeauty's main office. This is where I do most of my work, and I had to check up on some email, and I'm obsessed with spraying my face with this Collagen face mist. It's super calming and moisturizing. It's finally lunchtime. I had this delicious kukbap and also orange for lunch. My boss was trying Takis for the first time, and as you can see from his facial expression, he hated it. I don't know why, I love it. So after some work, I was super stressed out, and I went back to the 1st floor and grabbed the Daily Shine Calming Mask Pack, which is my favorite Kbeauty product. I used like 7-8 boxes of these. I love this mask. It's filled with niacinamide, glutathione, and all amazing ingredients. And I found out that my colleague Adrian was there. I decided to chill with him. I guess he was super stressed out. I just need to distress my mind, my skin, my soul. After getting some Z's, I feel so much better. My skin feels super revitalized. I feel energized, but it's time to go home, guys. Adrian went home already, so I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye, guys.